Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs in Telugu States. Friends, today I am going to upload part 2 video for TSPSC Assistant Librarian Medical Colleges question paper part 2 video. Today I am going to upload. In part 1 video, 2 days back I already uploaded up to 80 questions. This question paper is total 150 question. So out of 150 questions, part 1 I already explained question and answers for 80 questions, up to 80 questions. So today I am going to upload remaining 70 question and answers. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for further updates, friends. So now I am going to start question number 81. DDC 23rd edition is published by OCLC. DDC 23rd edition is the latest edition. So it's latest. It contains 6 tables only. So I am explaining each and every question based on my knowledge. Some more points for library, those who are preparing competitive exams. I am explaining extra points also. So DDC 23rd edition is the latest edition and is published by OCLC, and this is contains 6 tables only. Next question number 82. World largest book fair, where it is world largest book fair is there. This is somewhat a new question, never seen before any examination. Frankfurt Book Fair. Frankfurt Book Fair is the world largest book fair. It's located in Germany. It's in Germany. Right answer is Germany. Blue one is the right answers. So friends, question number 83. Who is the editor of the journal Golconda Patrika? This is TSPC Telangana and related question. So Golconda Patrika is started by Suravaram Pratap Reddy is the right answer. Suravaram Pratap Reddy. The journal Golconda Patrika started by Suravaram Pratap Reddy is right. Out of 4 options, option 1 is the correct answer. Next question number 84. National Library Week in India celebrated during this easy question, basic and fundamental question in library science. Everyone knows Library Week every year celebrated 14th November to 20th November. So right answer is 14 to 20 is the right answer. Next question number 85. Where is the British Library Lending Division BLLD is located? Is also previous question. Is located at Spain. Right answer is Boston. Spain. Boston is located in Spain. So Boston is the right answer. British Library Lending Division located at Boston. So right answer is Boston. Next 86th question. A digit with ordinal value but without semantic value. This is also previous question. This is called empty digit. Empty digit is the right answer for 86th question. A digit with ordinary value but without semantic value known as empty digit. So out of 4 options, empty digit is correct answer for 86th question. Next question number 87. Computer virus is a program is the right answer. So right, computer virus is a program. Right answer. So 87th question, right answer, program. Next question number 88. Question number 88. Headquarters of IFLA International Federation of Library Association. Everyone knows in some question examinations to define IFLA like that also asking. So IFLA started in the year 1927. So headquarters Netherlands, Hague. Hague is the city and its country Netherlands. So Netherlands Hague, IFLA is located. So right answer is 88th question, Hague, Netherlands country. So 89th question, match the following given. So list 1 4 options given, list 2 4 years formation given. So Press and Registration of Books Act, everyone knows. A for 1857, it is formed 1857 is the Press Registration Act. Delivery of Books Newspaper Act is 1954. So option B for 4, C for 1. 2000 Right to Information Act, everyone knows, 2005. Indian Copyright Act 1950. These all are previous questions, but here it is given and match the following type. So A for 2, B for 4, C for 1, D for 3. 89th question, right answer. Next 90th question, which of the following committees recommended 6.25% of university budget should be allocated to the library? So right answer is Radhakrishna Commission. 1948 is the right answer. 10, if it is 10%, that is Kothari Commission. 1964, if it is given budget recommended university, so that is the answer is Kothari Commission. So in this question is given 6.25% of university budget should be allocated to library. Right answer is Radhakrishnan Commission. 1945 is the right answer for 90th question. Question number 91. So ISBN first published by IFLA, I think ISBD, sorry friends, ISBD first published is not clear in this question. So question ISBD is first published by IFLA, International Federation of Library Association. So IFLA first published ISBD. So 91th question, IFLA is the right answer. Next question number 92. Latest version of Indus Medicus now version of Indus Medicus published by PubMed, now available on PubMed. Indus Medicus now available as a PubMed. So PubMed is the right answer for question number 92. 93 question, GUI stands for, is a computer related question. GUI, graphic user interface. GUI defines what? So out of 4 options, graphic user interface is the right answer. Next question number 94, Europa World of Learning 2016 is published by Europa World of Learning 2016 is published by, right answer is Taylor and Francis is the right answer for question number 96. Taylor and Francis is the right answer. Next question number 95 is the right answer is the Boolean operator and is used to. Boolean operator and is used to narrow of search. Narrow of search is the right answer for question number 95. Narrow of search is the right answer. Next, College and Research Libraries Journal. Journal name is College and Research Libraries. Journal published by ACR, Association of College and Research Libraries. So American Libraries, ACRL and ALA, American Library Association, both coordinate the publishing the journal College and Research Libraries Journal published by ACRL and American Library Association. So next question number 96. In classification, use of digit or group of digits used to represent specific concepts in all class numbers having a same concept is called mnemonics. Mnemonics is the right answer. Mnemonics is the right answer for question number 97. In classification, use of a digit or group of digits used to represent a specific specific concept in all class numbers having a same concept is called mnemonics. Next question, match the following. Again match the following is given. Mean, mode, median and central deviation, these are measures of central tendency, all options given, and list B given. So A for 3, mean is 3, average, mean for average, and B for 1, mode for most frequency occurring value is called mode. Everyone knows the most frequency is statistical question in part of library science. Most frequency occurring value is called mode. C for 4, median means middle value is called median. Median means middle value. And D for 2, standard deviation means measure of dispersion. Measure of dispersion is the right answer. So 98th question, A for 3, B for 1, C for 4, D for 2 is the right answer. Next question number 99. Match the following, again given. Match the following: Library Congress subject heading, series list of subject heading, sort link, citation indexing. Sir, in this list B some options given. So A for 4, Library Congress subject headings, correct answer is Library Congress. Library Congress subject headings brought out by Library Congress. So B for 3, series list of subject headings brought out by Ernst Sears is given. SLSH given by Minne Earl Sears. Sears given SLSH. So option C is 1. Chain process. Sort links always in chain process. Sort link is chain procedure. D for 2. Citation indexing given by Hughene Goldfield is a Hughene Goldfield is the right answer. For citation indexing is given by 99th question, A for 4, B for 3, C for 1, D for 2. 100th question, an estimate of revenue expenditure of financial year is known as an estimate of revenue and expenditure is for a financial year. Balance, right answer is budget. Budget is the correct answer for question number 100. Budget is the right answer. Next question number 101. Which institute responsible for assigning ISBN into Indian publications? This is a basic and important and previous question. ISBN number in India given by Indian publication given by RRRLF Sloke Raja Rammohn Rai Library Resource Center to Indian publication. Please see this question carefully. Which institute responsible assigning ISBN to Indian publications? Raja Rammohn Rai Educational Resource Center at Delhi. So this is the right answer. Next, OPAC stands for online public access. Basic question, important question, and previous repeated question. OC online computer, online public access catalog. OPAC is the library entrance. Anyone can search books easily through OPAC. So by giving author name, title and other keywords. So online public access catalog is the right answer for OPAC. Next to INB published by Indian National Bibliography published by National Library of India. National Library of India located at Calcutta. Its earlier name is Imperial Library. So INB published by Indian National Library of India. So Indian National Bibliography published by National Library of India. So right answer is National Library of India. Next, cataloging in CIP. Cataloging in publication is the program of cataloging in publication is a program of Library Congress. CIP is, this is also previous important question. It's seen so many examinations already. So CIP, cataloging in publication, bought out by Library Congress is the right answer. The National Knowledge Commission set up by government in the year. NKC, National Knowledge Commission set up by the government of India in the year of 2005. 2005 is famous for Right to Information Act also. In this way, when we see the years, we will remember some more points based on that year. So 2005 is for Right to Information Act, 5 for one more year, what it is called, National Knowledge Commission set up by government of India, that is also 2005. So some more points we will recollect it through this question. Next question, again match the following. Lexicon, BT, broad term, narrow term, like that, BT, NT and RT. Maps, palm leaf. So A for 2. Lexicon is a dictionary. Lexicon is a dictionary. B for 4. BT, NT, RT means thesaurus. BT, NT, RT is thesaurus. So C for 1. Atlas. Maps are atlas, belongs to atlas. D for 3. Manuscript. Palm leaves already belongs to manuscripts. So A for 2, B for 4. 106th question. Question number 106. A for 2, B for 4, C for 1, D for 3. So friends, see carefully. Next, question number 107. Again match the following given. Question number 107, match the following. Google Scholar, Chrome, Facebook, blog. So list B given, Web 2.0, social media, browser, search engine. A for 4, search engine. Google Scholar is a search engine, a scholarly based search engine, Google Scholar, and Chrome is a browser. Facebook is a blog, is a Web 2.0, blog Web 2.0, Facebook, social media. Everyone knows. Out of 4, 3 everyone knows. Chrome browser everyone knows. Facebook is a social media site. Blog is Web 2.0. So we can, through elimination, we can easily find out the answer, friends. So next question 108. Saraswati Mahal Manuscripts Library located Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur located Tamil Nadu state. So Saraswati Mahal Manuscripts Library, this is a important previous question. So Tanjavur is the right answer. Next, question number 109. Consider the following statement, find the which are the true. Library Congress of, so 4 statements given, 1 and 3 is correct. question asking out of 4 statements which are true. So 1 and 3. So option 1 is Library Congress, National Library of USA. So next C is RRR LFA, Development of Academic Libraries in India. These two are correct exactly. Delivery of Books Act enacted 1958 is a wrong one. Is enacted 1954. So is given in 1958. So B statement is false. So through elimination we can find the answer. A and C is the correct. Raja Ramona Library Foundation always development of public libraries in India. This statement right. And A statement, Library Congress is a national library of USA. It is America located. So this is the National Library of USA, Library Congress. So 109th question, 1 and 3 is the correct answer. 110, question number 110. The number of Indian history DDC number asking. So 954. History books all on number in 1954 DDC number. Indian history books we will see in libraries. So next question number 111. C also entries are provided in AACR 2 for related headings. C also entries are provided in Anglo-American cataloging 2 for related headings. Right answer is related heading for 111 question. Next 112 question number 112. 112 question number again match the following question. Classical School of Management by objective Peter Drucker. Everyone the MBO given by Peter Drucker. So scientific management and system of school management. So classical entry foil is the Classical School of Management by objective Peter Drucker. B for 4, A for 2. So easy through elimination also we can find out. Scientific management Taylor. So C1. D is the Max Weber is a System School of Management is Max Weber. D for 3. So only System School of Management is somewhat new, and remaining 3 is basic important questions already seen in previous examinations also. So friends, next question number 113. Just 1 minute. Next question number 113. Again match the following question. Gantt charts, zero based budgeting questionnaire, PET, program evaluation review technique. PET for program evaluation review technique, and CPM, critical path method. PET, when we are seeing PET and CPM also one question is there. CPM, critical path method. So abbreviations also important friends. So Gantt charts, A for 4. Chart technique, Gantt charts. So Gantt chart is a chart technique. So A for 4, B for 3, zero based budgeting is a budgeting. C for 1, questionnaire is a research tool. D for project evaluation. P at a program evaluation review technique is a project evaluation technique. So question number 113, right answer is A for 4, B for 3, C for 1, D for 2. Next, UAP stands for Universal Availability of Publications is given by IFLA. UAP 114th question. UAP Universal Availability of Publications given by IFLA. So this is also previous important and basic question. Book number is used to question number 115 question. Book number is used to fix the position of book within given class. Fix the position of book within the given class. Book number means fix the position of book within the class is the right answer. Next question 116. Span of control is related to number of subordinates. Span of control is related to number of subordinate is the right answer for question number 116. Next question number 117. Again match the following question. Weeding, stock verification, fumigation, self-rectification. A for 3. Weeding means process of withdrawing reading materials. So withdrawn means removing reading materials from the library is called weeding. A for 3. B for 1. Stock verification means physical checkup of documents recorded in the library. Physical checkup of documents recorded in the library is called stock verification. Fumigation. C for 4. Cleaning harmful insects by using chemical smoke or gas is called fumigation. D for 2, process of self-rectification, process of replacing or misplaced books by the users in the library. When the users are coming to the library, they are taking books and keep it on. When the study is over, they are keeping in some other places, not exact places in on shelves, or they are keeping sometimes on tables. So we will, as a library professional, to immediately we will replace that books and same places. This process is called self rectification. In practical purpose I am telling. A for 3, B for 1, C for 4, D for 2. 117 question, right answer. Next question number 118. DOI means is the question, important question, digital object identifier. Question number 118, right answer is digital object identifier is the right answer for question number 118. Next question number 119. ISBD developed by IFLA is the right answer. ISBD developed by IFLA. Representation of, again is question number repeated. So representation of specific subject of the book in the language of ordinary number is called class number. Representation of specific subject of the book in the language of ordinary number called class number. Next question number 121. The process of withdrawing unwanted reading material is already one of the match the following question. So weeding is nothing but weeding. Weeding is a fifth law of library science. Library is a growing urbanism. Weeding belongs fifth law of library. So some examinations questions asking like that also. Next question number 122. Sorry, question number 122. Again 4 statements given. Out of 4, which statements are correct? So one statement is Delivery of Books Act 1954. Every book published in India should be deposited to National Library of. So according to Delivery of Books Act 1954, every book published in India deposit to 4 libraries, friends. So out of 4 options are correct. National Library of India is the depository, and Delhi Public Library, Kannamera, and Central Library of Mumbai. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. Next question 123. UDC developed by, easy question, Universal Decimal Classification is developed by in the year 1905 is UDC year. So given by Paul Outlet and Henry LaFontaine is the correct answer. UDC developed by Paul Outlet and Henry LaFontaine. Green one is the right answer, friends. Next again question number 124. Again match the following given. NASDAQ, Kannamera Library. So Kannamera Library is it is located Chennai. MHRD, IIT Kharagpur, and Banaras in the university. In list B, so some list 1 some options given, list 2 some more alternatives given. So we can match the following. NASDAQ is a social science documentation center, friends. So Kannamera Library is I think is a public library. Benares Hindu University is a academic institution, so it's a academic library. Through elimination we can easily find out the answers. So MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development, and Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, these are monitoring agencies for National Digital Library. It is monitored by IIT Kharagpur. So this is the latest innovation bit, IIT Kharagpur National Digital Library. So Banaras Hindu University Academic Library, Kannamera Library is a public library. NASDAQ is a so National Social Science Documentation Center. NASDAQ is a Social Science Documentation Center. Next question number 125. DOS is a disk operating system. DOS is a command driven operating system. So command driven, but DOS is disk operating system abbreviation. DOS is a belongs to command driven operating system. Next question number 126. The concept of library pilgrimage is introduced by Iyenki Venkatramaya. This is a Telugu states related library question, library movement question, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh related. So the concept of library pilgrimage is introduced by Iyenki Venkatramaya is the right answer for question number 126. Next question number 127. Raja Rammohan Rai Library Foundation established to develop. Everyone knows it is located at Calcutta. Raja Mohan Ra- Raja Mohan Ra- Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation started in the year 1972 is for exclusive development of public libraries. In this question paper, this question already given in one of the match the following bit. So easy answer, easy question, previous question, public libraries is the right answer for question number 127. Next question number 128, expenditure that is incurred occasionally known as that is a non-recurring expenditure. So expenditure that is incurred occasionally known as a non-recurring expenditure. Friends, this is important question and asked some different way. So important non-recurring expenditure is incurred occasionally known as incurred occasionally known as non-recurring expenditure. So so question number 129, AACR 2 Anglo-American Cataloging 2, the entry is made under title when statement of responsibility. So right answer is statements of responsibility. So next question number 130, friends. Again 4 statements given out of 4 which are true, asking which are true. So 4 the statements are correct, friends. In Indian books in print is a trade bibliography. Books in print also trade bibliography. For some more points I am explaining. Books in print and Indian books in print both are the trade bibliography. So option A correct. B, newspaper clipping service is a current awareness service. So this is also correct. And InflibNet is a autonomous organization under UGC. This is a information library network also. Autonomous organization of UGC, correct answer. ERIC, Educational Research Information Center, database developed by educational community. So for the 4 statements are correct. So 138, 130 question number 130, 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. Who invented printing press? Next question, who invented printing press? So right answer is John Gutenberg is the previous question, important question. John Gutenberg invented printing press. Shodh Ganga is a repository of thesis and dissertation. So Shodh Gangotri for research synopsis. Shodh Ganga is a repository of thesis and dissertations. It's an important question. It's a InflibNet related one. 132, question number 132, Shodh Ganga is the repository of thesis and dissertations. So friends, I am explaining one more question bit also when upcoming examinations asking like that. Shodh Gangotri for research synopsis. So when the projects or thesis is under process, that is under Shodh Gangotri. So Shodh Sindhu is a e-consortia. E-consortium site Shodh Sindhu, one more recent initiative, shows e-Shodh Sindhu for a consortia. Next, which of the following is a domain name? Question number 133. .edu, 4 options given. .docx is a word related question. Word docx and jpg .xls .edu. Ed is a for is a domain name. Education, edu for education. .ed is a domain name. So 4 options, 133 question. .edu is the correct answer. Next question number 134. Out of match the following given. Library acts and formation years are given. List 1 library acts different states. List B formation years given. Madras Public Library Act A for 3 1948, first Library Legislation Act. State is Madras. So Tamil Nadu, so 1948 is the right answer. B, Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act, B for 1 1960, Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act 1960. C, Karnataka Public Library Act, C for 4 1965 Karnataka. Maharashtra, D for 2 1967 is the right answer. A 3, B 1, C 4, D 2. Question number 134 are the right answers. Next question number 135, DRTC, Documentation Research Training Center. DRTC, well known and very famous library basic question. It is located Bangalore. Next question number 135, right answer is Bangalore, DRTC. Next 136, State Central Library is a Safiya Library, Hyderabad, formerly known as a Asafia Library, State Central Library of Hyderabad. This is Telangana TSPSC Assistant Librarian question paper for medical colleges part 2 question paper. Now I am explaining, friends. So this is Hyderabad related question. So State Central Library Hyderabad, formerly known as Asafia Library, friends. So next question 137. Consider the following statements which are true. Again 4 statements given. Every book its reader is a second law of library science. I think it's first one is wrong. And S.R. Rangan is the author Prolegomena of library qualification. This is a library classification. Prolegomena of library classification. S.R. Rangan is the right one. Every book its reader is the second law of library science. This is the wrong one, I think. So we will see next two options also. Next C option is Melville DVC started first school library science in America. This is, I think, correct. And INB published Delhi this is wrong. So 2 3 is correct. Option 2 and 3, first one wrong and fourth one wrong. So 2 3 correct. Which of the following next question, which of the 138, which of the following represent mode of formations of subject? Denudation is the represent modes of formation of subjects. Out of 4 options, Boolean, dispersion, conversion and denudation given. Denudation is the right answer for mode of formations of subject. Denudation and lamination, some more also there. Fusion, cluster, some more modes of formations. So out of 4 options, only one is the modes of formation of subject, denudation, right answer. For question number 138. 139th question, how many levels of descriptions in Anglo AACR 2? Question number 139, 3 levels. Anglo-American cataloging rules 2 is 3 levels. How many levels of description in given AACR 2 is 3 levels? And one more question also I am explaining. AACR 2 is replaced by resource RDF, resource description paper. RDF is replaced by resource description access, RDA, resource description access. So AACR 2 is replaced by RDA. So in this question, 139th question, how many levels of description in given AACR 2? So right answer is 3 levels. So next 140 question. So friends, SOL software is software of university libraries. SOL is a commercial software given by Information Library Network implemented. This is a previous question. Earlier papers also you have already seen. SOL is a commercial software, not open source software. Next question, question number 141. Impact factor is related to journals, friends. Is easy question. Impact factor is given by Hughene Garfield. Impact factor is related to journals given by Hughene Garfield is the right answer. Next question number 142. Again match the following, friends. For 5 laws is given. So now match the list B, laws and statements given. First law is everyone knows books for use. Second law is every reader is her book. And third law is every book is her reader. Fourth law is save the time of the reader. And fifth law is the library is a growing organism. So this is a easy question, friends. So A for 3, B for 5, C for 4, D for 2 and E for 1. So 5 statements, 5 alternates given. So right answer for 142 question. Fourth one is the right answer. Question number 143. Public Library of Science. Public Library of Science located 140. Public Library of Science is a non-profit journal publisher, virtual library and promoter of open access is the right answer, friends. Next question 144 question. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question number 144. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the right answer. Next 145. Who is the chairman of National Knowledge Commission, NKC? Shyam Pitroda. NKC National Knowledge Commission, it is formed in 2005. So National Knowledge Commission on Libraries, it is formed 2005. Shyam Pitroda, I think. Answer is Shyam Pitroda. 145 question number 145. Next 146. Network topology in which all nodes are connected in linear fashion is called bus topology. Network topology in which all nodes are connected in linear fashion is called bus topology. Bus topology is the right answer for question number 146. Question number 147, NISCARE. NISCARE is formerly known as INSTAC. NISCARE earlier name is INSTAC, Indian National Science Documentation Center. INSDAC and NISCAM become and merged as a NISCARE. So INSDAC earlier name is INSTAC for question number 147. Next question number 148. 7th edition of CC colon classification given by Ranganathan. Colon classification in the year 1933 is formation in colon classification year. So 7th colon classification total 7 editions. Latest 7th edition is edited by A. Gopinath is the right answer. 148th question. 7th edition of CC is scheme edited by Gopinath. Next 149 question. TQM is a total quality management is a system of continuous improvement. Right answer is 4 options. One option is search method, system of continuous improvement, cost benefit analysis, qualitative techniques. So system of continuous improvement is the right answer for TQM. When TQM is appears and PET also is their project management technique and program evolution of review techniques, PET. PERT. So total quality management is a system of continuous improvement. Next last question friends, 150th question. In India, LIS education is started. It's a basic question friends. LIS education in India, last question, started in the year. LIS education in India started in 1911. Right answer, LIS education, library information science education, started in India 1911. So friends, it is 150th question, last question. Friends, those who are watching my channel, please subscribe friends, please share library forums also, telegram groups and some library aspirants, so please subscribe and click on a bell icon for more question papers. I will upload so many papers, so many question papers in future also. So friends, today I explained 70 questions out of 150. This is a part 2 video for Telangana State Public Service Examination for the post of Assistant Librarian, Medical Colleges question paper. Friends, this is conducted to year 2018 and one more notification is going to publish until very soon by TSPSC. That is already approval came for the post of a same assistant librarian medical colleges, newly established medical colleges. So friend, this question paper more useful for AIMS librarian, those who are writing AIMS library assistant examinations also, this medical related question paper. So friends, wish you all the best, those who are preparing for AIMS and medical college oriented examinations. Please subscribe friends. Thank you.